Today, I'll show you how to add a WhatsApp button on Google Search Ads. A WhatsApp button in Google Ads is usually added through a message asset. Google says message assets can appear with responsive search ads and can send users to a preferred messaging platform, including WhatsApp, where they can start a conversation with your business. This feature is currently in beta, so it may not be available in every Google Ads account. First, open Google Ads and log in to your account. Before setting this up, make sure your account has a good policy history, advertiser verification is completed, and you have an active WhatsApp business number. Google lists these as part of the requirements for using message assets. Now go to Campaigns. You can use message assets with a new or existing search campaign. If you are creating a new campaign, click Create, then choose Campaign. Select Leads as your campaign objective. Choose Search as the campaign type. If Google shows the option, select messages from your ads as the way you want to reach your goal. Continue setting up your campaign with location, language, budget, bidding, keywords, and ad copy. Now go to the Ads or Assets section. Open Messages, then click New Message Asset. Choose WhatsApp as the messaging option. Enter your WhatsApp business phone number, including the correct country code. Next, write a starter message. For example, "Hi, I'm interested in your service. Please send me more details." Save the message asset. Google will review it before it can appear with your ad. If you are adding it to an existing campaign, go to Assets, click the plus button, choose Message, and add your WhatsApp number and starter message. If you do not see message assets, the feature may not be available for your account yet. As an alternative, you can send users to a landing page that has a WhatsApp chat button. And that's it. You now know how to add a WhatsApp button on Google Search Ads. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.